for Thick Thick Girly. It's been a minute since we last shared the video on the channel, but we're back with a bang. And today, I'm so excited to introduce the Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet collection. This amazing lineup features 8 mini vibrators, each with a unique design and vibe. We have Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 1, Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 2, Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 3, Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 4, Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 5, Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 6, Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 7, Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 8. As you can see, we've got a lot of vibrators to check out, so let's jump straight into it. The Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 1 may have a simple design, but it definitely delivers. The rounded tip gives focus yet gentle pleasure, making it perfect for beginners or couples who plan on using love toys. It's made with soft, body-safe silicone that feels great on the skin. And since silicone is non-porous, it won't trap bacteria. Just be sure to clean it properly after each use. It's also IPX7 waterproof, so you can use it in the shower or bath and rinse it easily afterwards. The toy is also rechargeable and includes a magnetic charging cable. Charging takes 2 hours and you'll get up 1 hour of playtime. As for the features, it comes with 5 vibration speeds and 7 patterns. Hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. Press the button again to switch between the settings until you find one you like. Use it in your favorite spots and enjoy. At first glance, the Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 2 looks similar to the first one. The same flat white base and control button. But if you look closely to the tip, you will see the difference. This one has a flattened end designed for broader stimulation. It's especially great for a clitoral play since you can press it more firmly without slipping it out of place, unlike the rounder version. You'll also get about 2 hours of charging time. To use it, hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on, then press once to cycle through the different speeds and patterns. From there, explore and enjoy. Unlike Bullet 1 and 2, which share similar design but with different tips, the Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 3 brings something fresh to the table. It features a flat tip that's great for a precise and targeted stimulation. Plus, its sleek finish and elegant color gives it a super classy look. It's also the smallest bullet in the collection, measuring just about 3 inches. This is ideal if you are into something ultra compact and travel friendly. Like the others, it uses a magnetic charging cable and takes 2 hours to fully charge. You still get 5 vibration speeds and 7 patterns to mix and match your way to pleasure. To use, just hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. Tap the button to explore different modes, and when you're done, hold it again to turn it off. If you're looking for something a bit bigger than the Satisfyer Bullet 3 but want that sleek, flattened tip, let me introduce to you the Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 4. The flat tip allows you to apply more pressure that can amp up the intensity for a deeper, more satisfying experience. The Ultra Power Bullet 4 features a 5 vibration speeds and 7 vibration patterns, all controlled with a simple button. Just press and hold the button for a few seconds to turn it on, and it will start on the lowest vibration. You can press the button again to cycle through the different speeds and patterns until you find the one that works best for you. This is also rechargeable and the magnetic charging cable is included in the box. Next up is the Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 5, and this one has a really interesting design. It has a tufted texture that helps you maintain a better grip as you move rounded and slightly pointed tip across your body. Even if your hands get a little wet, you still get to hold the toy securely, so you can focus on the pleasure. Like the other vibrators, the Ultra Power Bullet 5 features a 5 vibration speeds and 7 patterns. To use it, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. Then you can cycle through the speeds and patterns by pressing the button. To turn it off, hold the power button again for 2 seconds. As for our 6th vibrator, we have the Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 6. If you're looking for something that is more focused than the other bullet vibrators, then this might be your perfect match. With its slim design and soft pointed tip, it's made for a concentrated stimulation, giving you more precision where you need it most. Just like the others, it's with body-safe silicone, ensuring it glides smoothly over your skin for the most comfortable experience. Plus, its slim size makes it more discreet. It can easily blend with your other cosmetic items, which makes it super travel-friendly. Like all the bullet vibrators that we've discussed so far, it features a 5 vibration speeds and 7 vibration patterns to choose from. Just charge it first using the included charging magnetic cable. And once it's ready, press the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. To explore different modes, simply press the button again and cycle through until you find your favorite. Moving on, let's take a look to the Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 7. Now, you might think that this is just like the Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 4, but let me tell you something, it's definitely not. And here's why. While the tip is flattened, it's slightly curved, which gives it an amazing ability to cup your pleasure zones for a more targeted and even better stimulation. This mini vibrator is 5 inches long and made with the same body-safe silicone you love, ensuring both comfort and durability. Just like the others, it has 5 vibration speeds and 7 vibration patterns, which you can easily control with the power button on the base. Let me show you how simple it is. Press the button for 2 seconds to turn it on, cycle through the modes with a single press, and when you're done, just press and hold the button for 2 seconds to turn it off. So, if you're looking for a vibrator that offers a great precision, this one might be the perfect love toy to your collection. And finally, let's end on a high note with the incredibly stunning, innovative Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet 8. This one truly stands out because it combines the amazing qualities of the other toys in the collection. It combines slim round tip and pointed tip, giving you full control over how targeted or broad the vibrations you want to be, as you glide it over your sensitive spots. It's made with body-safe silicone and features the same magnetic charging cable we've seen throughout the collection. It's also IPX7 waterproof, so you can take it in the shower or bath. And it's super easy to clean. Like the other Ultra Power Bullet vibrators, it offers 5 vibration speeds and 7 patterns right out of the box. But what sets it apart is the ability to connect to the Satisfyer Connect app. To set it up, just download the Satisfyer Connect app from the Google Play Store or App Store, turn on Bluetooth on your phone, and open the app. Then, power on the vibrator by holding the power button for 2 seconds. After that, press and hold the power button for 4 seconds. You'll feel a double haptic pulse, signaling that it's in Bluetooth mode and ready to connect with the app. Once you're in the app, just tap the connect button, and after a couple of taps, your mini Vibe is now synced with your phone. This means a better control and the ability to access incredible features like live control, ambient sound, music sync mode, and much more. And as a special bonus for this video, we're going to quickly talk about the best places to use these mini vibrators. Of course, you can apply it to any part of your body. But if you're looking for a little guidance, here's some areas to try out: breasts, nipples, shoulders, neck, behind the ear, buttocks, behind the knees, and near the belly button. Also, a quick safety tip. Please don't insert these mini vibrators into your vagina or anus. Always keep it on the external areas. And to make the glide smoother, we recommend using a water-based lubricant like the Lauvette lubricant for a better feel. And that's a wrap on the Satisfyer Ultra Power Bullet collections. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you're one step closer to finding your perfect vibe. And if you're interested from getting one of this collection, make sure to check out our website, lauvette.ph, or browse through our other shopping platforms, link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more sex toy demos. See you in the next one! Love, love mga lovies! Bye!